Jain alphabets.
A for ahimsa. B for bowing down. C for charity. D for discipline. E for evening prayer. F for forgiveness. G for Gautam Swami. H for help. I for immortal. J for Jai Jinendra. K for karma. L for Lesya. M for Mahavir. N for Naukar Mantra. O for Om. P for Patshala. Q for Queen Trisla. R for Rosary. S for Sadhu. T for Temple. U for Upasray. V for Wow. W for Worship. X for Xylography. Y for Yoga. Z for Zalar.